Okay, so as our tree shows, next we'll be looking at some of the industries already starting to take advantage of the GPU programming power. Okay, so now that you have some background into what GPUs are and what people are trying to do with the GPUs, you might really start to wonder, well, if all this is going on, then who are these people who you talk about who are really starting to take advantage of this capability of programming on the GPU? When we think of GPUs, most people think of gaming and stuff. So you start to wonder, well, what are these other industries that are starting to take advantage of GPU programming? Well, GPU programming is actually finding its way into many fields, both in academia and industry. This chart, the top one right here, shows that the GPU developers by category, and as you can see, there are quite a few groups that are starting to take advantage of GPU programming, on the GPU. So manufacturers, imaging, medical, financial, academia, research, scientific. So there's a lot of people who are really starting to research or look into programming on the GPU. Now this bottom graph right here gives a glimpse into something that we'll be talking about later in this presentation. This chart is from the top 500, and it shows the professions which are currently taking advantage of high-performance computers, or otherwise known as HPCs. These HPCs can be anything from supercomputers to clusters, if you're not familiar with the term. These HPCs are massive computers with great processing capabilities, but they're also very, very expensive. These HPC industry is mainly uses CPU processors for much of its processing needs. The CPU companies currently dominate this lucrative HPC arena. Now, if you'll notice, a lot of the industries currently taking advantage of the HPC are starting to look at using GPUs programming for some of their computing power. With this recent development, you do really start to see the CPU producers butting heads a lot more with the GPU producers.